That was so stupid.
Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Forecast for Imperial County Southwest. Today.
Well, apparently we got this to go off. However, I forgot to turn the ALERT.WB on for both the zone guards. That's a fail. Guess we'll see if the zone guard will go off next time with the zone guard plus. That was really stupid. But yeah, that's it. At least this one left. I'm glad that happened.
Wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour in the morning, becoming northeast 5 to 10 miles an hour in the afternoon.
Well, I guess that's it.